What's up? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rob. We're in my garage. Today, working on the Mustang. Hey, we gotta do some clutch adjustment. When I put that clutch in, I still ain't got it right, so we're gonna adjust on a little bit. So I haven't been uploading recently. I don't know if you heard of this bomb cyclone that was right in my hometown, so been kind of dealing with that. But let's get the Mustang out. And then let's take it out for a nice little drive today. See where that goes. So we got her up on the jack. Let's crawl underneath her and get to work. All right, as my luck would have it, this is brake fluid from a car I just did brakes on. Buddy came over and I helped him put some brakes on it. So I wouldn't have to lay right there. Yay me. All right. Let's see if we can get up in here. So here you have your clutch cable right there, and it's going to your clutch fork on the Mustang. Some of them have a cover on it. I don't have a cover on mine. And here you have your lock nut, your adjusting nut, and then I have a spacer in mine because my clutch is stretched. So all you really have to do is just loosen up this. It's a 1/2 inch, and then you stop what you're doing for a second, and you go grab a pair of pliers to hold the cable. So give me 1 second. All right, guys. So we're back. We have some good pliers. All right. Typically there's like a little thing here that you can grab, but mine's, like I said, my cable's stretched, so I just gotta hold the actual cable. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do this just yet. Maybe just hold that. Okay, all the bolts are spinning. All right, enough. It's really not supposed to be this hard. Make sure you're all looking at the right thing. And alright. Alright. So let's try this. Alright, take that, loosen that bad boy up. And for those wondering, yes, my spacer is a socket. So you work with what you got, right? I should just order another $50 cable, but this one works fine with the spacer in it, so we're calling it good for now. And you take it, and then you just rotate it. That's all you gotta do. Now, a little bit here is a lot on the actual clutch pedal. So I'm going about 4 full turns, and that should give me about 3 inches on the clutch. Right now it's just perfect to where the clutch fully engages right past the floor. So I'm trying to get it about 2 inches from the floor is full engagement. So go about 5 more flats. That should be good. Alright, so once you've done that, tighten up this jam nut. Now what the jam nut does is basically it's a compression fitting nut, letting you, I can't really find another wrench either. Oh, here it is. not allowing that one nut to come off. Basically puts compression on it, jams it, if you will, i.e. jam nut. So hold one, tighten the other. It should be good. I think that's everything out of there. Let's drop it down, see what it's like. Like I said, the car is extremely dirty. Sorry. Went through that damn bomb cyclone. And bro, we got dirty. Alright. Oh, that's so much better. It goes into gear so much easier. Oh yeah, that's like butter. Run through all the gears. We got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Bro, so much better. All right, I think she's roadworthy again. We're gonna need to go get some gas, and we'll take her out. All right, so let me get dressed and we'll get her out. Alright guys, so I don't know if you see that, we're loaded up with Colorado's finest of the 91s that they have. Gonna go get some dinner for the family and enjoy the rest of the night. I just wanted to get a little quick video out, plus, you know, I haven't really been putting out as much as I want to, but yeah, that's the name of the game, especially with this bomb cyclone that was going on. But gears right quick. Hey, look at that. The input shaft is it's not happy on that T5, but she's just gonna have to live with it for a little while. Not rebuilding it right quite yet, maybe later on this year. But I mean, I get on her all the time. She stays. We're at 453 miles, so clutch is almost broke in. The timing's still a little bit off. Every time I try to check the timing, it's in the day. Can't really see the marks on the dampener, but anyway. Oh yeah, one last thing. That bike that I showed in the last video, hey, I already sold it. It just wasn't meant to be. So kind of flipped it, made a little bit of money on it, but it is what it is. We won't have a bike for now. Next bike I do get will be either a Busa or a BMW. That's 1000. So I'm gonna give me some Taco Bell, and that's gonna catch it for me. That's gonna be it. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we'll actually be able to get some real stuff going on. But until then, y'all take care. I love you guys. Peace. Just a little bonus, a little half throttle action. Y'all hear that shifter?